Looking for the best window cleaning robot to make your life easier? Stick around, we're ranking the top models you can buy right now from decent to downright impressive. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the FMART. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not a bad window robot, it's just that in a world of fierce competitors, it's got a little catching up to do. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still covers the basics, the T9 Pro gets the job done, just with a bit of compromise. So what does it offer? The FMART has decent suction and features ultrasonic spray tech for added cleaning power. It even includes smart path planning and edge detection, which helps it maneuver around your windows pretty confidently. And with backup battery protection, it won't go crashing down in case of a sudden power outage. But it's not all sunshine. That water tank? Super tiny. You might find yourself refilling it more often than you'd like. And while it sounds high-tech, some users have reported inconsistent results, especially on really dirty windows. Compared to others on this list, it's a bit more hit or miss. If you've got small windows or don't mind giving it a helping hand every now and then, the T9 Pro might still be worth a shot. But if you're after top-tier performance, better options are just ahead. By the way, you can find links to all the products featured today at the best prices right below in the description. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tosima W2. It's one of the lightest window robots out there and definitely punches above its weight for the price. If you're not looking for a lot of bells and whistles and just want something that gets the job done, this one's got your back. The Tosima W2 features variable suction, smart path planning, and even handles frameless windows pretty well thanks to edge detection tech. It's a quiet little machine that won't scare your pets and comes with safety features like a strong backup battery and a safety rope. In short, it checks a lot of essential boxes for casual users. That said, it doesn't have its own water spray system, which means you'll need to wet the cleaning pads yourself. Not a deal breaker, but a little inconvenient if you're hoping for a fully hands-free experience. Also, on very grimy windows, you might need to run it a couple of times for a proper clean. For folks with mostly indoor glass surfaces or who live in apartments with limited access to window exteriors, the Tosima W2 is a smart and affordable pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this one. At number 3, we've got the HUTT W9, a solid all-rounder with a couple of standout features that make it a great mid-tier pick. If you're someone who values convenience and don't want to fuss with refilling a tank every few minutes, the W9 is worth a closer look. It comes with a generous water tank and self-regulating suction that helps it cling securely even when things get damp. Plus, with its intelligent route planning and a total of 13 onboard sensors, it's pretty sharp at navigating corners and edges. That's impressive for its class. However, it does run a bit louder than some others, around 70 decibels, and while it's great for maintenance cleans, if your windows are seriously dirty, you may still have to do some manual touch-ups. Still, it balances automation with reliability pretty well. If you want a robot cleaner that feels like a real helper and not just a novelty, the HUTT W9 could be your guy. It's perfect for mid-size homes and works well on any smooth glass surface. Sliding into second place is the Ecovacs Winbot Mini. Now, this one might be small in size, but it packs some serious power, literally. With a powerful suction system and intelligent cleaning modes, it proves that great things really do come in compact packages. What makes it stand out is the 7,500 Pascal suction. That's the strongest on this list. Combine that with smart path planning and a solid range of cleaning options, and you've got a robot that doesn't just look cool, it performs. Plus, it's app controlled, which adds a modern user-friendly touch. Drawbacks: it doesn't have a built-in spray system, so like the Tosima, you'll need to keep those pads damp manually. It's also a bit heavier despite its small footprint, and that might matter if you're moving it between floors or rooms. That said, if you want something compact but capable, the Winbot Mini is a fantastic mid to high-end option. It's especially handy for folks with smaller or harder to reach windows. And finally, the crown jewel, our #1 pick, the Ecovacs Winbot W2. This is what high-end window cleaning automation looks like. It's not just a gadget, it's an all-in-one cleaning station with more features than most people knew they needed. We're talking dual power modes, a smart station that doubles as a charger and storage, triple nozzle wide-angle spray, and more cleaning modes than you can count on one hand. It even has WindSlam 4.0 tech that ensures it maps and cleans your windows efficiently and thoroughly every time. The only real downsides are the price tag and the need for a little maintenance between sessions, things like rinsing pads and refilling water. But honestly, for what it offers, those feel like fair trade-offs. If you're serious about clean windows and want the absolute best in convenience, performance, and smart tech, the W2 Pro is the one to beat. It's ideal for large homes, modern spaces with lots of glass, or even small business settings. So, which one's right for you? Check out the links in the description to see today's top picks at the best prices. And hey, if this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on reviews just like this. Thanks for watching!